Morning everybody, I Tapas Dasgupta. Today we are again going to start scene 2 of the chapter Hanuman and I. In our last class we have done scene 1. Okay, today we will do scene 2. At a backstage on the annual day, everyone is busy dressing up. Everyone is busy dressing up for the annual function. Enters Chokidar. Chokidar, teacher, someone asked me to deliver this letter to you. Now Chokidar is telling to the teacher that somebody has given me this message, this piece of paper, a letter to deliver to you. Hands over a piece of paper. He hands over a piece of paper to the teacher. Teacher, an application. It is an application. Reading aloud. Dear ma'am, I am very sorry to inform you that Alka has contracted measles. Contracted means caught. Alka को measles की बीमारी हो गई है and has been running a high temperature since morning. Since morning she has been running a high temperature. उनको काफी तेज बुखार हो गई है. Sorry, she will not be able to act in the play. I am very sorry to say that she will not be able to take part in the play. She sits down in a chair. What? No teacher. She becomes very much upset. What? Alka will not come? What shall we do? Here will we perform the story of Rama without Hanuman. How can you perform this drama without Hanuman? Looks around in dismay and her eyes falls on Rupa. Rupa, you look here. You wanted to be Hanuman, didn't you? Rupa, you have wanted to play the role of Hanuman, didn't you? Do you think you can manage? Can you manage? Rupa, excited. She becomes very much excited. Thrilled. Me? Speaking to herself. Is my dream coming true? Teacher, can you manage it? Rupa, of course I can. Yes, obviously. Teacher, do you remember the dialogues? क्या आपको dialogue याद रहेंगे? Rupa, no, but I can always think of something. Even if I forget anything, I can cook up anything. Teacher, oh no, you should certainly not do any such thing. I shall be prompting from the wings. Just from the hidden side of the stage, I will be prompting you. All you have to do is to repeat what I say, and for God's sake, don't mumble. Whatever I dictate, you simply copy it and don't mumble, don't fumble. Speak as loudly as you can. Speak loudly as you can. Rupa, don't worry teacher, I speak loudly enough. Don't worry teacher, I speak loud enough. Now we will do scene 3 also. Scene 3, on the stage, the curtain goes up and the teacher pushes Rupa on the stage. She almost falls on her face. She nearly falls on her face. Drums are echoing and hands and feet are cold. She opens her mouth to say the lines but can't remember. She has fallen to remember the lines. Rupa, my lord Rama, God Rama. She is fumbling. My lord Rama, God Rama. Teacher prompting. My lord Rama, I am servant. The teacher is prompting from back. Lord Rama, I am a servant. I could gladly die for you. I would gladly die for you. I would gladly die for you. Rupa, hearing the prompting, heaves a sigh of relief. My lord, I am a servant. I would gladly die for you. Regular, you have forgotten to pin your tail. Now again this prompting that you have forgotten to pin your tail because he is the Hanuman. She is to Hanuman. Rupa, repeating, you have forgotten to pin your tail. Whatever she is hearing, she is repeating the same thing. Rama, don't be silly. I am not supposed to have a tail. You have forgotten yours. Now Rama is saying, don't be silly. I don't have tail. You have forgotten to put your tails. Rupa touching the spot where the tail should have been. I am sorry, my lord, my tail. I have forgotten to pin my tail. Now she is touching the point and saying, yes, I have forgotten to pin my tail. A roar of laughter from the audience is here. The audience bursts into laughter. Teacher, now jump. Teacher saying from the back, now jump. Rupa, repeating, now jump. Whatever the teacher is saying from the back, prompting, Rupa is repeating the same thing. Rama shouting, you jump stupid. Realizing a mistake, Rupa starts jumping like a mad person. Audience laughs and the curtain falls and the curtains fall down. The teacher scolds Rupa. Teacher scolds Rupa. The teacher scolds Rupa for messing up everything. She has messed up everything. She has made everything hodgepodge. And tells her that she would cut short her role. Rupa apologizes. Okay, Rupa now apologizes. is Rupa Abhimanyu. That is for today. Now, the scene 4 we will do in the next class. Now, the same question we will discuss today. Why was Rupa suddenly asked to play the role of Hanuman? Rupa was suddenly asked to play the role of Hanuman because Alka, who was supposed to play the role of Hanuman, has contracted measles and has been running high fever. So she could not be able to play the role. That much for today. Now, the first 2 questions what we have done, that is page number 49, question 1A, 1 and 2, you should do it in your home. That is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.